Hello everyone! Start off by drawing a puffy little head and then add 2 ears at the top accordingly. Draw a small little body and then on either side draw the wings as such. Move on to drawing the eyes. These will be the eyes of an owl. Make them as big as possible and then draw the beak as well at the top. Make the eyes close and then draw some eyelashes to it. Draw the belly portion of it and then draw the fur of this little belly. Now using the black marker, outline it to make it look all the more darker. Begin to color it in. We have chosen to make it very colorful. Start off by using red and then orange, yellow, green, blue and then purple. These are the colors that we have used. As for the belly portion and the beak, use a lighter shade of orange. As for the eyes, we have chosen to use a lighter shade of green. Finally, moving on to the wings, we have chosen to use the shade of mustard yellow and we have used grey for the feet. Now for our next drawing, start off by drawing a circle with 2 more circles inside of it. Then, leaving out the 2 small circles you have created, color all around it. Repeat this right beside it. These will make a pair of eyes. The circles that you have left uncolored will make eyes look like it is twinkling. Now add a circle around it which will make for the face and then add ears to the top. Add a small little smiley face as well. Add triangular shapes to the top and on either side to make it look like a small little tiger pup. Then draw the rest of the body and continue to draw the triangles. Add stripes to the tail as well. Now draw the legs as well. Continue on to color it. Line it with dark black marker first before you do so. We have chosen to color it in this shade of yellow. Now once you are done with the body, you may use a darker shade and then color in the triangles and the rest of the stripes that you have left uncolored. We have chosen to use the color red in order to color the inside of the ears and grey for the rest. Next, start off by drawing this small shape at the bottom with a button. Then at the top of it, draw on a mixie blender along with a handle. Draw on what looks like water to make it look like there's a liquid inside. Right beside this, draw on a triangular shape and then convert it into a watermelon. Right on top of it, draw some cherries and then on the other side, begin to draw a banana on top of which you will draw a strawberry. Add multiple dots on your strawberry and then draw a little stem to it as well. Once you are done with all of this, use the black marker to line all of it a lot darker than it is. Then proceed to draw and color inside. In order to color the mixed blender, we have used the color blue, green, orange, yellow and purple. Use purple for the bottom as well. As for the button, we have chosen to use green and then a light shade of orange. Moving on to the watermelon, we have chosen to use the color red and then a lighter shade of orange and green for the bottom. Don't forget to add the seeds to the watermelon. We colored the cherries in red and the leaf in green. As for the strawberry, we did the same thing. Color the top as well in green. Moving on to the banana, you may either color it in yellow or this light shade of orange. For our next drawing, we have made this somewhat symmetrical heart. At the top, make another layer of only the top as well. Then begin to continue and then join each of the edges that you have created. Now connect each of these to the bottom of this heart. It should look like a diamond heart. Now begin to color it in. We start off with the color yellow, that is mustard yellow, and then use the color pink, followed by the color blue and then green. You may use any colors that you please. Then we moved on and used the color pink, and as for the bottom, for the second stripe, we started off by using the color red. We then proceed to use yellow, green, a light shade of pink, and then finally a shade of blue. Finally, once you are done, this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.